Welcome my friends. In this video we're gonna look at the following integral. We're gonna do x to the 4 e to the x dx. So when you have an integral of the form x to the power and e to the x, you're gonna use something called integration by parts, but we're gonna use the tabular method. Alright, so what that means is that we're gonna do like as follows. We're gonna switch the sign. So we start positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. As long as after we finish an algorithm or a procedure. Okay, so we start with x to the 4th, and then we start with e to the x. So the one in the middle, we start with positive and we start with x to the 4th. And what we do for each sign, we're gonna go all the way to 0 by taking the derivative. So what's the derivative of x to the 4? That's equal to 4x cubed. Derivative of this is gonna be 12x squared. Okay, so now let's put it more. Okay, that would be 12x squared. Then that's gonna be equal to 24x. Then 24, then 0. Okay, now we'll take the integral of this function, the second function. So that's going to be equal to e to the x. We take integral of each, so e to the x is always e to the x. So we're going to go e to the x, and then e to the x. Now we're going to take a diagonal path. So we're going to do this one to the second one, this one to the third, this one to the fourth, this one like that, and then this one like that. Now what we find is that this integral will start out with a sign, so that will be positive x to the 4th, and we multiply it times this one, e to the x. Now we take minus 4x cubed times e to the x. Now we do positive 12x squared times e to the x. Now we do minus 24x times e to the x. Now we do 24 times e to the x, and that will be positive plus 24 e to the x, and that will be the final answer, this one. So basically you avoid doing the regular integration by parts, because you would have to do multiple integrations so by parts. So you avoid it by doing this type of tabular method. We're going to look at another example that you're going to see in another video. Thank you very much, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe. You help me a lot.